guys and respected sir. Where is my turn? Hi sir.
May I know why we celebrate the festival?
You know that it includes in our custom, so that's why we celebrate. And celebrating any festival, there is a reason. Means you know that the reason is behind that why we celebrate Deepavali, because on that day Ram means Bhagwan God Ram came back their home from Banvas. So that's the reason that we celebrate Deepavali.
Right. As Raksha Bandhan is coming, so what is the reason behind it? Why we will celebrate?
First, you know that lots of festivals also made by businessmen, because they know that means things is not able to sell, things are not able to sell, so they know that means we should make some festivals. Like you know that if I talk about Bhaiya Doj, it is there is no reason behind it that why we celebrate it. So it is made by businessmen. So in my opinion that there is no reason also celebrating Raksha Bandhan. So it is also made by businessmen, because they know that we can sell within 2 to 3 days many things, also sweets, also means rakhis, and also means many things we can sell. So means festivals, lots of festivals made by businessmen. So I seem that there is no reason behind it, we celebrate it.
And if I talk about the Holi, so is there any reason behind it to celebrate?
Yeah, means it is said that there is a means child, sorry, there was a child, I don't know his name, so he thrown by any woman into fire, so he could not he could not burn by fire, so he saved his self. So that's why we celebrate
But at
Holi.
the time when we celebrate the Holi, so why we apply the colors? Why we wasting the water?
So
Is it mindset of the people, and is it any kind of propaganda?
you know that it depends on mentality. You know that there are also many people that they don't throw water, they don't apply colors, means they applies only means little bit colors their faces, and they don't do besides it. Means also people take wine, which is also not good, so we cannot say anything on that. So it depends on people's mentality.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, thank you sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi sir.
Sir, you had a stream, commerce stream in 12th class.
Yes, sir.
So, first of all, what is commerce? What is the definition?
You know that means commerce, it is a stream, means there are lots of subjects come in commerce. So commerce tells us about accounts and many business sectors. So this is commerce. Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell me what is account?
Account means account is which thing, means where we enter datas, means it can be means there are many types of accounts, means current accounts, saving accounts, and others account. Means suppose you wanna means you have business and you wanna enter your employees salary, so definitely you will enter in account, means where you enter it will it is called account.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you tell me what did you do after 12th class?
First of all, as I passed my 12th class, then I applied for BCom and I took admission in BCom. Now I have completed my BCom and
You are graduate.
yeah, I am graduate.
So what are you doing nowadays besides English study life?
Now firstly I have applied for MCom So as I will find my name in list of colleges, then I will check that where is my name. So I will take admission in MCom, and I am not doing anything besides spoken English.
Sir, can you tell me what do you want study?
Pardon, please.
I mean, what do you want to learn study?
क्या है कहाँ से लाते हैं ऐसे सब
I mean, sir,
दिशा मिलने जाओगे
why do you want to learn study?
You know that study is means study is very useful for human, because by this we learn many things, means how to sit, how to talk, how to read, and it is a good thing for human that without study, did you see illiterate person, means he is not educated, he has not good sense also, he has no good communication skills, and he also fears to speak before anybody. So this is not good for illiterate person, means if a person he is educated, he can do anything on the base of education. So that's why I want education. Okay, thank you, sir.
Please